Hey everybody, this video is to help students figure out how to properly name their assignments. So I'm going to use this Engineering Unit 1 text questions assignment as a sample. So here you can see that here's the text questions. My assignment is to answer all of them. There's 5 here, 5 here. So in order to answer them, I need to open up a Word document. So I'm going to go here in my programs, look for Word. There you go. I'm going to open it up, blank document. So I'm going to answer all my questions here. This is my engineering work. All right, I'm not answering all the questions right now, but this is just to show you how to save your work. All right, so let's say I'm done. I'm done. Here's my work. I finished it. Hooray. Now I'm going to go to File. I'm going to save it as, and I'm going to save it to my computer. So let me find a place to save it. This PC. Double click it. And then I'm going to just save it to my desktop. Okay. And instead of, see, it says answer all my questions. That is not what I want to name it. That is not part of our naming format. So I'm going to change the name. Remember the naming format. First is year. So I'm going to put 2020-21. Then I do underscore. Then it's last name first, Notowitz, that's my last name, underscore first name, underscore. And then it's the engineering Unit 1, I forget the name of it. Unit 1 questions, I believe that's what it was called. And then I am going to save it. Ta-da! Save to my desktop. Okay, but I'm not done because now I have to actually attach it. So here are the questions. I go to the next screen. Here you go. It says submission. So I look for the icon where I can attach the assignment, and I'm going to search for it on my desktop and attach it, and it sends it to your teacher. It's that simple. And I hope that helped. Have a great day.